right, guys, this is it. This car has been a car I've been searching for years. It's very emotional for me. This is really cool. Oh my God! Holy crap. What color do you guys think did we buy? Brand new JDM Supercar 2 daily driven exotics. I'm so excited. This is the moment we've all been waiting for.
So exciting. I can't believe you guys are doing this.
Real JDM. Yeah, we just gave away an Integra Type R. Let's remember that. A year ago, we bought a white R34 GT-R. We owned it for a short period of time. Kevin fell in love with it, and Kevin bought it off of us. That's why you never saw it on the channel again. And then COVID hit, we never saw Kevin again. Kevin, I hope you're doing well. We've been wanting to get back into this whole JDM space for a while. So what you're getting right now, you guys know, we've already been looking at it. It's a GT-R, but what color did we get?
What color did we get? Silver?
Is it red? Oh. It's a surprise. Put a blue cover on it. Fun blue cover, because, well, this car isn't a car we can currently afford. So without any further ado, would you two gentlemen please grab a corner? Huge shout out to Raymond at SR Auto Group. He isn't selling us this car. He's just connecting us with the buyer. This was really cool. This was like a private sale, so to speak. It took a lot to get this car here done in the condition that it's in, which is mint. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Booyah!
Reveal the Bugatti, please. Oh, yeah! You guys wanted this car on the channel. This car has been a car I've been searching for years. It's very emotional for me in some very unique way. This is really cool. Because this for me has just been like a dream for a long time in the making. One of the perks of being in Canada is that we legally can own these cars. This is the car we chose mainly because we put it up on Instagram. Mr. Instagram over here was like, holy, the engagement is through the roof on this car. We put up this post asking you guys, do we do blue, silver, or red? Silver came in third place at 1,844 likes. Second place, the red, 4,906. But by a landslide, the blue took the cake at like astonishing 20,407 likes. This is the new car for Daily Driven Exotics.
Check out how sick the key is.
Old school.
This key is like 20 years old. This car is a 1999.
It's actually not a 99. This car is a 2000 and it's a V-Spec. Dave's a big GTR guy. He should know all of this stuff.
So this is the V-Spec 2, which gives you the carbon fiber hood. Now, how much is this hood worth, Damon?
This hood is about $16,000. Dry carbon hood. It's glossy up here. Underneath, it's all dry carbon fiber. It's pretty cool stuff. It has a little addition right here for an oil cooler. This is an added piece, and so is this right here. We can get a Z-Tune fender kit and from bumper kit, which is different, and side skirts, which I think we might do. We can always update the taillights to the Nismo LED taillight. We could do something with the exhaust and make it obviously louder. Got the spoiler and in this beautiful Bayside blue. One of my biggest features for this car, the client said you can have it with or without. I was like, we have to have it. The wheels.
The wheels are so sick.
Nismo LM wheels. I love these wheels. This to me is like true JDM, and this car overall is like my dream car, as it is a lot of people's dream car.
Yeah, totally. It's Fast and Furious original.
OG.
Yeah. And because it's a V-Spec 2, come show them the interior.
It's a full black interior and it's so clean. It took us a long time to find the perfect spec, you guys. This car is going up in value. It's not a bad investment.
5 years from now, this could be $5, $6, $1 million car. Who knows where it's going?
Who knows?
It's insane.
You guys, this is the car you guys all chose. I think we need to take it for a quick drive.
Yes, let's go.
What is this? Garbage.
Shut up, Ray. Clean it up.
I'm just excited that we got an R34 because it's honestly been one of my dream cars. This is definitely a car I couldn't afford when we were young. So here we go. Oh, I think we just about jumped it right there.
So this is a bone stock as far as the engine goes. It has 280 horsepower. It's a 6-speed manual.
And I'll be honest, there were so many other options for daily driven exotics coming from a content perspective, like brands like Lamborghini, McLaren, Ferrari, or even a Porsche that were really more desirable for content to make enough money to ever be able to afford to spend 200 G's on something like this. And we didn't think you guys wanted to see this. Even though we love it, doesn't mean you guys love it. In the beginning, you buy cars that make content. You don't buy cars because you love them. You buy them because the internet loves them. That's being totally honest. But we've been fortunate enough with your help, create enough of a following to go to a place where we can spend some money on the cars that we're truly in love with, regardless of how many views they get. Ironically, you guys really love this car.
You do. And there's a lot of these cars out there in the marketplace that came a little rough from Japan. This one is like insane. Check this out, in the glove box, I did not plant this. It's like a parking ticket from Japan.
Is it really?
How authentic is that?
Where'd you find that?
That's right in here, right in there.
There are more R34s here in Vancouver than most people know, because here we can have them. So this is the first point of entry for North America. They all come from Japan into Vancouver, kind of get dispersed throughout Canada, or the odd handful that are in the US probably aren't supposed to be there, that are there though, all came through Vancouver.
Oh.
I need you to drive.
Got this.
This thing's awesome. How sick does it look?
Dreamy, dude.
Right?
It looks epic in this light, dude.
Look at that backdrop, you guys. Oh, yeah. Amazing shots, you guys. This isn't our typical car reveal, car drive. This is one of the main cars we've all wanted that we've put off for a lot of reasons. Today's the day. We are seizing the moment.
Pretty skeptical about buying this car for this much money. After driving it for a little bit, it's really cool.
Oh, look at the gauges. Woo! Well, that's it for Godzilla in this episode, you guys. Stay tuned. What mod should we do to this? I think maybe we need to finish the Z-Tune package, which would be the front bumper, makes it a lot more aggressive, the side skirts. We won't change the hood because this carbon fiber hood is super Gucci as it is. I love this car. You guys, smash the subscribe button. Say goodbye to Anthony, Dave.
See you guys.
By the way, we have another car. I don't want to break it to you yet, but we have kind of a big build that's already happened, and I'm super stoked. It's pretty
It's gonna change a lot of people's minds about.
It's the fastest car since the Huracan twin turbo's been here, right?
Crazy.
All right, guys, say goodbye. Bye. You enjoy the car. Don't go too crazy. And you guys are gonna come with me. We're gonna get some exterior B-roll shots. This is how it works when you make YouTube videos.
It does.
I can't drive and film the outside of the car and all that at the same time. And I really enjoy the cinematography side of this when we have an opportunity to. And this is where Dave really gets to shine as the driver.
I am a really skilled driver.
Dave is our daily driven exotic stunt driver. He does all the stunt driving behind the scenes while I become the producer, the director. So that's how it works.
I'm here to make jokes most than anything. I don't know what I do sometimes, actually. I just hang around Damon.